Good evening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Ashima,
Yes,
you've joined?
yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I've joined from the Mata Sundari College in Valedictory.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Ashima,
Yes, ma'am.
how many participants were there?
Ma'am, though we had registrations of around 337,
Mm-hmm.
167 students completed it till the end. They attended all the sessions and completed their work also.
That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many are going to join? It shows 40 participants.
Yeah, I will again remind everybody to join.
Okay.
Ma'am, will start in 2, 3 minutes. They are just joining, I think, gradually. Shall we start now?
सब रेडी हैं तो कर देते हैं. Participants तो there are around 60.
Yes, ma'am. I have messaged on both the groups. Gradually they are joining, I think. So
2 मिनट वेट लो. क्या टाइम क्या है?
5:10 होने वाला है. रुक जाए 2-3 मिनट मैम और.
2 मिनट रुक जाओ. आज
Okay.
63 means not even half.
Yeah, yes.
2 मिनट रुक जाओ बस.
ठीक है मैम.
Anji Ashima.
Yes, ma'am, can we start now?
Please. काफी time हो गया.
हाँ जी ma'am. Vibhuti, please start.
A very good evening, everyone. I, Vibhuti Gupta, a first year BSc Honours Computer Science student, would like to warmly welcome you all to the valedictory session of our 30 hours online short term course on Python programming, which was organized by the Department of Computer Science. In today's session, we are sharing the work that you guys has done in 30 hours short term course. I'm grateful to Ms. Ashima Hasti ma'am, Dr. Kiranji Sethi ma'am, and the faculty of our department for their forever support. I would like to hand over my virtual mic to Ashima ma'am to say a few words.
Thank you, Vibhuti. A very good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science, Mata Sundari College for Women, I welcome you all to the valedictory session of this 30 hours online short-term certificate course on Python programming conducted under the umbrella of Peer Mentorship Program. Department of Computer Science periodically conducts technology-based training activities for our students, customized according to the requirements of the industry. Our objective is to help the students improve and enhance their technical skills, as well as increase their chance of getting employed. There cannot be a more joyful way than having your own peers or seniors assisting you in your technical journey to increase your knowledge and build skills for future goals and milestones. And a well functioning mentoring program requires strategic planning and organization to connect the mentors and the mentees. Implementing a successful program requires identifying the program's purpose and vision, understanding your mentor and mentee pool, while incorporating consistent communication to encourage the program's longevity. And I'm glad to say that the organizing team of this program has been able to achieve this goal. And therefore, this STC has been very enjoyable and fruitful for everyone. Our students of BSc Honors Computer Science, Anushka and Srishti, took up this initiative to impart this very intensive skill-based program. They have been very professional in their delivery of the sessions, and the workshop was entirely hands-on and project-based. We received 337 registrations from across all the departments of our college. Out of these registrations, 167 students attended all the sessions till the end and completed their projects and assignments, and hence are eligible for the graded certificates. Now, both the students have been, handling the queries every day and night on the WhatsApp groups also, and during the live sessions as well. And I'm really proud of proud of them, the way they have handled these sessions. They very well, connected with the participants during the sessions, and the student coordinators Vibhuti and Tunisha have synchronously coordinated as a team, and they have been, updating all the information to the participants on the WhatsApp groups. And I really look forward to work on more ideas with all these students. I take this opportunity to thank our principal ma'am, Professor Dr. Harpreet Kaur, for being our guiding source. She has always inspired all of us and encouraged us to take up new challenges. I also offer my sincere gratitude to Dr. Kiranjit Sethi, course coordinator of the Computer Science Department, for her invaluable inputs and suggestions. She has always encouraged all the faculty members of the Computer Science Department to come up with the new ideas and organize such interesting and skill enhancing activities for the long-term benefits of our students. Her contribution has been very significant in the growth of the computer science department in the last 2 years. We are forever grateful to you, ma'am, for the same.
Thank you, Ashima. Thank you so much for your kind words.
Yes, ma'am. I thank Mrs. Sangeeta Pathak for the technical support she had offered throughout the 15 days of the sessions. Last but not the least, we have been very fortunate to have such enthusiastic participants who have shown their immense interest in this program. They diligently completed their assignments and projects as per the deadlines mentioned. They have been very attentive and active learners throughout these sessions. And it is amazing to see the work that they have created. And Anushka and Srishti will be presenting their work and the whatever projects they have developed, and they will also be showing their assessment results. Now I hand over the virtual mic to Vibhuti.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. About the peer mentorship program, the course was on Python programming. It was a 30-hour short-term course from 1st Feb to 15th Feb 2022. We had received a total of 375 registrations, and within an hour, around 80 plus students had enrolled in the course. Thank you so much, guys, for such an overwhelming response.
So, topics covered in the short-term course are keywords, identifiers, comments, data types, operators, modules, conditional statements, loops, lists, sets, dictionary, tuples, arrays, classes, and objects. Day by schedule covered in this course is as follows. Day 1, Python introduction. Day 2, modules. Day 3, conditional statement and loops. Day 4, inputs. Day 5, assignment. Day 6, list and sets. Day 7, tuples and dictionary. Day 8, functions. Day 9, assignment. Day 10, array and live project. Day 11, classes and objects. Day 12, live project. Day 13 to 15, homework project. Now, presenting a few snapshots of the 30-hour program.
So the long-awaited results are finally here. Before I show you the graphs, let me clear that we graded you all based on the 2 assignments and 2 projects that you submitted to us. Each assignment was worth 10 marks and the rock paper scissors project was of 20 marks and the QR code project was of 10 marks. So here are the assignment 1 results. As you can see in the bar graph, there are approximately 64 students who received 10 out of 10 marks. 2 students have received 9 marks because there were minor errors in their assignments. 30 students received 8 marks and the rest you can check in the bar graph as well. Others who scored less marks, don't worry guys, it's the first time you are learning Python and you'll do better in the future. So the results of assignment 2 are presented next. The majority of you received 10 marks here. But the points were deducted because there were some errors in your loops part. As the result, 3 students received 9 marks, 16 received 8 marks, and the 52 students received 6 marks. Now here are the project 1 results. So project 1 was rock, paper, scissors project, and the bar graph shows 75 students scored 20 marks and 4 students scored 18 marks, 9 students scored 16 marks, and the rest you can see in the graph. Now, coming to the results of our last project that was given you all as an assignment, it was of QR code in which you had to generate a QR code using the drive link of a resume or the CV. The majority of you scored 10 marks, that is 81 students. Similarly, as shown by the donut chart, 89% of the students scored 10 marks, and similarly 8 marks were scored by 6.6% students And similarly, 2 marks was scored by 3.3% students. Now, the final grades we had given are A+, A and B. So you can see in the pie chart, 46.4% of students received an A+, 22.3% received an A, and 31.3% received an B. Let's go to the best work you all have done. So we went through each and every response, but some of them were different. Different means that the code and output were both clean and attractive. Before I show you the results, I would like to say that everyone's work was excellent. So let's start with project 1. Jia Bhargav of Political Science first year did a fantastic work on this project. As you can see in the video, she displays the rules of the game at the beginning, and then when she enters a choice, the computer randomly selects a choice out of rock, paper, and scissors and displays the output of who wins with the points. Similarly, you can see Harshita's of BSc Honors Computer Science second year student and of Geetika of BA Honors English third year student. Their outputs were really clean. Now, coming to the project 2, almost everyone did an excellent job, but these QR codes were particularly appealing. So, when we scan Parul Garg's QR code, her resume is accessible. You can see in the video. Mehak Gupta of BLEd second year, Yashika Arora of BCom Honors second year, Darshpreet Kaur of BSc Honors Computer Science third year, Khushi Jain of BSc Honors Mathematics second year, Havisha Kakkar of BCom program second year, and Jasminder of BSc Honors Mathematics third year also did a great job. Now, we are mentioning some of the participants based on your interaction with us during these sessions, as well as your results and work. So, the most interactive students during the sessions were Harshita Vedi, Amin Mehta, Raksha Kand, Mansi Dhiman, Lakshika Shiron, Tunisha Vyas, Vanisha, Khushi Garg. The following mention is for top scorer. So, there are total of 17 students who scored 50 out of 50 marks. So, Komal Kumari, Nehal Jain, and Tanuja Bisht are among them. Next, for best work done, as we have already shown you, it is Harshita, Jia, and Geetika for project 1, and Mehak, Parul, Havisha, Jasminder, Yashika for project 2, and others as well. Now, we are sharing some feedbacks we got from you all.
Unisha from BCom program third year student said that the session was amazing. I got to learn so many things. It was very well managed. Proper question and answer was there, and all doubts were resolved at the moment. And my special thanks to Anushka, who helped me throughout the session.
Ansika Jain of BCom program third year student says, I have learned C++ and C#, also before Python, but I feel Python is more easy than other programming languages. Shrishti and Anushka both taught us so well that I understand Python very well. And the assignments and projects are also interesting and amazing. I have learned a lot from these sessions. I would like to attend more such sessions conducted by you. Hope to see you again with such type of interesting sessions again.
Mansi Dhiman from BSc Honors Computer Science second year said that thank you for providing us with wonderful opportunity. All the sessions were amazing. You have made this course even more interesting and easy. You have explained it very well. There were variety of practical examples, clarity of explanation and concepts, helpful lab sessions to build understanding quickly. This was the best program for a beginner like me who has zero knowledge about programming to understand the concepts used in Python. Great course, would definitely love to join other courses offered by you in future.
So Amin of BSc Honors Maths second year says the peer mentoring program organized by the Department of Computer Science helped me learn other new skills. My experience has been so great. It's been super informative and mentors were so polite, understanding and sweet. treated everyone with patience. I am super grateful to the whole team to organize such amazing sessions. It's always a pleasure to attend such sessions. The hands-on learning experience made me so confident every time. The assignments have always made me think a little harder and explore new ways. It's been overall an amazing experience. Eagerly waiting for another such sessions.
Lakshika from BSc Honors Computer Science first year said that it was amazing experience of attending 30 hours short-term course on Python programming. Srishti Di and Anushka Di are great mentors. They taught each and every topic very clearly with an example and solved every query of students very patiently. And after learning Python, it's been very easy to learn other languages also. I appreciate all your efforts by providing assignments and different projects, which is very important for perfection in coding. Now, I found coding very interesting, and thanks for sharing all your knowledge in the course. Thanks to other members who helped in organizing the short-term course of Python, hoping for more amazing courses in the future.
Vidhi Sharma of BSc Honors Computer Science student of second year says, I really enjoyed this Python course. I thought it was well planned and organized, easy for me to follow. The workload, assignments and projects was just enough. So I could finish everything with enough time. So I could finish everything with enough time, learn about the topics, and not feel overloaded and rushed. I really enjoyed this class and the format it was presented in. For me, I learned and retained much more through a mentoring program due to the fact you can do the course as an open book in a very short period of time. Moreover, both the instructor I had were excellent, patient, and helpful. Overall, really enjoyed I really like this class because all the lectures, assignments, and tests are straightforward and interesting. Thank you guys for such an overwhelming response. So there are few students who would like to share their feedbacks live. So I would like to call upon Harshita Virdi. Harshita, are you there?
Yes, Deep. So, hello, good evening to everyone present here. I'm Harshita, second year student of Computer Science Department. First of all, I would like to thank Ashima ma'am, Anushka Di, and Srishti for such a wonderful hands-on experience on this Python course. This peer mentoring program was the need of the hour. I really enjoyed the course because of its formal yet fun approach of teaching. Great presentation style, and we had the opportunity to ask questions in between, and each and every query was resolved by our mentors. After every topic, tasks and questions were given for the practical practice, which I liked the most. It was highly interactive and informative. Looking forward for more such workshops. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Harshita. So next we have Raksha Khan. Raksha, are you there?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Raksha Karn, and I am a final year computer science student of Mata Sundari College for Women. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Dr. Kiranjeet Shetty Ma'am, and Ms. Ashima Hasti Ma'am for organizing this 30-hour online short-term course on Python programming. It was a great learning experience with such cool mentors, Anushka Purvar and Shrishti Bansal. They were able to deliver the concepts of Python in a very interesting and creative way to all of us, and were also able to handle the queries very well during and after the session. That helped me developing my Python programming skills in such a short period of time. The assignments or projects given to us helped us a lot in grasping the things taught during the session. Overall, it was an amazing experience with them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Raksha. So next we have Vanisha Mathur. Vanisha, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Greetings to everyone present here. I am Vanisha Mathur. I'm a first year Bachelor of Statistics Honors student of Mata Sundari College for Women. The online 30-hour workshop on Python was very informative. It provided me with such a vast knowledge of Python in a limited number of days. I've gained a lot from this peer mentorship program. I have always been very afraid of coding, so I switched from CSE to vocal music in class 11. And considering this history of mine, this workshop was very easy to follow. Even the difficult topics were taught in such a simple manner that I understood all the concepts in the blink of an eye. And since the sessions were available on YouTube as well, so in case I missed the session, I would watch the recorded session and I didn't suffer. Even when I was watching the recorded sessions, I didn't feel like any of the questions I had in the back of my mind were left unanswered. I would like to offer a heartfelt thanks to the Department of Computer Science of our college and everybody that was involved in organizing this workshop. Our mentors, Anushka Di and Shrishti Di, for organizing this wonderful workshop. I was delighted with the mentors way of teaching us as well as their dedication. Your down-to-earth manner, your clear and concise presentation, warm empathy are very admirable. You guys were so patient with everyone, and that is one of the biggest reasons I find that the workshop was so successful. Thanks for creating an effective learning environment and being there with us every step of the way. And thank you so much for teaching us Python from scratch and waiting for more such workshops. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vanisha. So next we have Vanshika Garg. Vanshika, are you there?
Yes, Dee. Hi everyone, my name is Vanshika Garg and I'm pursuing first year BSc Honors Statistics. Today I would like to thank the Department of Computer Science and everyone involved in this Python course, especially Anushka Di and Shrishti Di, for giving all of us such a wonderful exposure to the Python programming language through this peer mentorship program. This was an amazing experience with you all to learn Python, as you all were so helpful and also solved all our doubts and queries very efficiently. And I'm sure that this peer mentorship program would have definitely created curiosity in us to learn more about Python. These 30 hours would surely be helpful for all of us in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vanshika.
I offer my sincere gratitude to our department course coordinator, Dr. Kiranjit Sethi ma'am, for motivating us to organize such events. Now, I would like to hand over the virtual mic to Kiranjit Sethi ma'am for a formal vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Well, I must say it was a wonderful presentation. Good results, enthusiastic students, and a great feedback. You know, all this combined together results in a very, very positive experience. I'm sure all of you must have felt like this only. So it always seems that good things, they come to an end too soon. Is it? Well, I do feel so that, you know, good things do not take much time to finish. But in the process, we learn so many new things. We get so many new experiences. So many new windows are opened in our minds to reach new horizons. That is what all these courses are for. But then somebody has to take the lead and do such things. That is very, very important. And I was told that there have been 337 registrations, and around 170 students participated in this peer mentorship program. That's a really impressive number. And the whole credit goes to the student mentors who conducted this program, Anushka and Srishti, who took the lead, who took the challenge to do this 30-hour short-term course on Python programming under the umbrella of peer mentorship program. Hats off to these two girls. And while I was listening to, and of course reading also all the feedbacks, you know, everybody was so appreciative. And I'm sure they must have done a very good job and they deserve all the credit for this. And not only these two, but their student coordinators also, Vibhuti and Tanisha. Wonderful job, guys. You did a very good thing with Python programming and teaching them to such a huge number of students. And being interdisciplinary, yes, we can explain why such a huge number of students, and also because this digital world is now here to stay. The more you learn about it, the better it would be for you people. So all thanks to your teachers, so-called teachers in the peer mentorship program, student coordinators, and your wonderful ma'am, Ashima Hasti ma'am, who conceptualized the whole thing and, made you capable of it to face and execute this wonderful program. And of course, our principal ma'am, Dr. Harpreet Kaur, is always motivating us, encouraging us to do new things. And I'm very proud of this department. And I feel really fortunate that I have been made the course coordinator of this department. You guys are doing a wonderful job. And thanks are also due to Sangeeta Pathak, ma'am, who's always connecting us together. And thereby we can have such wonderful treats to our ears and eyes. And thanks to all the participants, without whom this course would not have been possible. So it is because of the participants that this challenge is so well done, because the students were able to learn so many new things. They were so overwhelmed by the new concepts and new things that they learned. So thank you, everyone. And let us hope that we continue doing this good work, that we continue doing more and more such courses. Thank you so much, everyone. Really, thanks.
Thank you so much for your kind words, ma'am.
Thank
You are
you.
always
Thank you,
there.
everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So do we have a photo shoot now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request you all to turn on your cameras for a group picture.
Stop sharing the screen, Anushka.
So this brings us to the end of this session. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving us positive response, and this inspires us to conduct more such sessions in future. At last, I would thank you all for being awesome audience throughout this course. Thank you, teachers and students, for joining in. Stay safe and take care.